Have you ever wanted to create animated Bible story videos that captivate millions, educate, and generate incredible revenue? On this channel, Bible in a Nutshell, they've done exactly that, racking up over 18 million views and earning over $50,000 a year. Now, if you've seen Social Blade's CPM ranges, you'll know they max out at $4. But here's the secret. Educational videos, especially Bible stories, often have a CPM upwards of $12 or more. That means these videos are earning 3 times the average. You're in luck, because today I'm breaking it all down for you. How to create these impactful videos easily on your phone and for free in just 4 simple steps. Let's get started. So we're going to come over to ChatGPT for some ideas. Now you can go to Fiverr and get someone to write your script for you, or you can write your own script. But we're going to go to ChatGPT and ask for some ideas. This is the prompt I'm going to use. So we're going to copy the first prompt and we're going to take it over to ChatGPT. If you want, you can screenshot it so that you can use it. This prompt is going to give you biblically accurate stories for your YouTube videos. Now, as you can see, they're numbered, and also you get story focus, message, and engaging elements. So today I'm going to choose the first one, David and Goliath. Now, they're numbered, so I'm just going to put number 1. And then I'm going to come back over and I'm going to copy prompt 2. Now, this is going to give me visuals, narration, all that good stuff. We're going to copy it and take it back over to ChatGPT and write it after number 1. Now we have a whole visual and a narration. For each scene, there's a visual and a narration, so it's easier for you to create images and your narration. Now we need a voiceover, so we come on over to 11 Labs, and I'm using the free account. So you're going to go down to the bottom and you're going to click the voiceovers. These voiceovers are very realistic. They're the best voiceovers ever. So we're going to come back over and you're going to copy the narration. All the parts where the narrator is, you're going to go over, copy, and then paste it back into 11 Labs. Just one by one. And once you have them all, you're going to find a voiceover. So there's tons to choose from. You can even search what kind of voiceover you want. So you can put in storyteller since it's telling a story. But I'm going to pick Caleb because I like the way his voice sounds. So I'm going to add him and then I'm going to click generate.
There was a young shepherd boy named David. He wasn't big or...
That sounded great, and he sounds like a storyteller. So now you're going to download it straight to your phone, click download, and now you have the voiceover in your files. Now we're going to come over to Leonardo AI because it's also free and it's an app now. So even better. These are all of the models you can choose from. So we're going to click 3D animation style and then we're going to click generate. Now we're going to put our prompt that back over in ChatGPT right here. We're going to copy it and then we're going to take it back over to Leonardo AI and we're going to paste it in the prompt. And then you're going to go down. So you got 3D animation and you got it on dynamic. You want to keep dynamic because it's going to give you the best rendering. So then you're going to go down and you're going to click number of images. I keep it at 2. And then you're going to check the aspect ratio, which should be 16:9, which is YouTube's ratio. Now that everything's intact, you're going to click generate. It takes a few seconds. But these are the photos that they came up with. So these look pretty good. I actually like these. We want our images to have motion. Now you can do that straight from Leonardo, but you have to pay. But I am going to show you a free way, but I'm going to show you Leonardo first. So you click motion right there, and then you're going to click generate. Now, this is the motion that it makes. So this looks okay, right? Don't worry, I'm going to show you the free way also. But you're going to have to go back and you're going to have to copy the picture. So you're going to take the picture and you're going to go down at the bottom and click more. And then you're going to press save. And then it's going to save right to your library on your phone. And then you're going to go over to HellU AI. Right now, you get 1,000 credits for free. As you can see, I'm on a free account. Click the tab at the bottom. Make sure you're on image to video because there is text to video. You're going to upload your photo. And then you're going to make sure that it's on the bottom one because that's going to give you a better generation. and then you're going to write something. You're going to go back over to ChatGPT and you're going to upload the photo you just created on Leonardo. And then you're going to say, can you give me a prompt for this image? And then it's going to give you a really descriptive prompt. You're going to copy the prompt, bring it back over to Hallyu, and you're going to paste it. Now that it's pasted, you're going to click generate. I do like Hallyu better because the generation is way better. This is what it looks like. Doesn't that look so good? Look at this. I am blown away. If you put the correct prompt, you will almost always get a good generation. Now I'm going to show you one more time. Go to the next transition. Copy the next transition. Take it back over to Leonardo. Paste it in. Everything else is already set. And you're going to click generate. Leonardo is great for making images. So that image, both of them are really good. But I'm going to click this one. Now I'm going to show you how to use motion again. So you just click generate. And this is what it looks like. Now, see, it doesn't look that great, but remember, we have a free way of doing this. So we're going to take the image, save it, and we're going to come over to Hallyu, paste the image, send the photo to ChatGPT in the same chat because you don't have to write nothing. It already knows what you want. Copy the prompt, take it back over to Hallyu, paste it in, and then you're going to generate. Now, this is what it looks like over on Hallyu. This looks way better. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Okay, so Hallyu is free, and you get 1,000 credits right now. So now we're going to go over to CapCut for editing. Remember, you can tinker the videos and the prompts as much as you want. So what we're going to do is add some transitions. That little line in the middle of the videos, click that. Then you're going to go to the search bar, and you're going to put in fade. This is the transition that I'm going to use because it looks more cinematic. So we're going to click the fade one. And there's tons to choose from. You don't have to click this one if you don't want to. But you're going to click the transitions again, and you're going to go to the top and apply to all. Now, you can change up the transitions if you like, but I like to keep them all the same. This is what it's going to look like. So it's going to go into the video, and then this is what the transition is going to give. So that looks really good, right? Now we need our voiceover. So you're going to click sound right at the bottom, and then you're going to click sounds. And then you're going to click the little file, and then you click the file right in the middle where it says device. Then you're going to select from device, and there it is right there. And then you're going to add it to your video. And this is what it looks and sounds like.
Once upon a time in the land of Israel, there was a young shepherd boy named...
That looks so good. So now we need some captions. So you're going to click the T at the bottom, and then click auto captions. I really love that button. So it automatically gives your captions right away. So you can pick any captions you want. I picked these ones because they look, I like how they follow along with the words. So that's what it's going to look and sound like. Not too shabby, huh? Okay, so now we're going to need some background music. And don't worry about the little watermark at the bottom. I'm going to show you how to remove that at the end of the video. So now you're going to go over to the little music note, and then you're going to press sounds. Now, I'm going to look for soft background music. Make sure when you're looking for a song, it has the red and white logo because that belongs to CapCut, and you won't get penalty strikes. So even if you do use one of the other ones and you do get copyrighted, you just dispute it, and it disputes in like 48 hours, but I don't like to wait. So I use one of the CapCut ones. So I'm going to use this one. Ooh, not that one, too harsh. This one. I like this one. Make sure you click the audio and turn it down some so you can still hear the voiceover. Turn it down to about 18. I think that's good. Or as low as or as high as you want. Ta-da! The video is done. Now you're going to download the video. And you can download it in either 1080 or 4K. Depends on you. And then you're going to take it on over to Annie Eraser. This is also an app, and it's free. You just click the video one. You can either remove the watermark from a video or a picture, but you're going to take the eraser and you're going to put it down at the bottom, stretch it out to the point where it's covering the watermark. And then you click next, And it takes a couple minutes, but this is what it's going to look and sound like.
In the land of Israel,
so it is a little blurry in the bottom, but I don't really think anyone's going to notice that.
wasn't-
So it's up to you to delete it or not. And then you just save to your camera roll. Now here's the video.
Once upon a time in the land of Israel, there was a young shepherd boy named David. He wasn't big or strong, but he had a heart full of courage and faith in God. Far away, a fierce battle was brewing. The Israelites were facing the Philistines, and the Philistines had a giant named Goliath. He was over 9 feet tall, covered in heavy armor, and he roared, "Who will fight me?" But no one dared to step forward. One day, David brought food to his brothers at the battlefield. When he heard Goliath's challenge, he said, "I'll fight him." Everyone laughed. "You're just a boy," they said. But David replied, "The Lord will protect me, just like he has when I fought lions and bears while guarding my sheep." David didn't wear any armor or carry a sword. Instead, he chose 5 smooth stones and his trusty sling. As he stepped onto the battlefield, Goliath sneered, "Am I a dog that you come at me with sticks?" But David stood firm.
If you enjoy learning about AI and how to use it on your phone, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you can get all the new updates. Thanks for watching.